Another numerical which was asked in JEE Men 2019. It's like this. A projectile is given an initial velocity u is equal to I cap plus 2j cap meter per second. And we know I cap is a unit vector along x-axis. J cap is a unit vector along y-axis. Here the coefficient of I cap is 1. No need to write. The coefficient of J cap is 2. Where I cap is a unit vector along the ground. So I cap is a unit vector along the ground. So your ground is therefore your x-axis. And J cap is along the vertical. Therefore since J is a unit vector along y-axis, therefore this is your y-axis, that is the vertical. Actually the ground is like this. The y-axis is actually like this. Means the projectile is traveling like this. Projectile is traveling like this, but in a paper I have to show the axis, y-axis like this. If g is equal to 10 meter per second square, the equation of trajectory is what? So this is your u represented by this meter per second. Suppose this angle is theta. Suppose this is the path followed. The path followed is called the trajectory. Now what will be its equation? Now look, given u is equal to I cap plus 2j cap. So the component of this u, this is your vertical component, this is your horizontal component. If this angle is theta, this much OA will be u cos theta and this much will be u sin theta. So how much is this? How much is this along x-axis? Is the coefficient of I, that is 1. So this OA, which is equal to u cos theta, is equal to 1 meter per second. OA 1 meter per second. Similarly, the magnitude of OB. So this should be actually, from O to B should be actually u sin theta. That is the y component. If you look at, the y component is 2. Therefore u sin theta is 2 meter per second. That is, this much is equal to 2 meter per second. Now let us consider a point P on the path of the projectile. This path which is followed by the projectile, the path is called the trajectory. What is the equation of it? Means you take any arbitrary point on the path, it will have an x coordinate and a y coordinate. For example, P is a point on the path. If I drop a perpendicular here from O to here, from O to this point is your x coordinate, from here to here is equal to y coordinate. This x distance is travelled due to this, that is 1 meter per second. This y distance is travelled due to this, that is equal to 2 meter per second. To this side there is no acceleration, but in this direction there is negative acceleration, minus g. So let us consider a point P whose x value is x, whose y value is y. Now this distance x from this point to this point, let it be c, means OC is x. OC is equal to x, will be the speed to this side into time t. Suppose it arrives at point P at time t. So this distance from O to C, which is x, will be equal to speed into time, because to this side the speed is equal to 1 meter per second. So x is equal to t. The projectile is at P at some time t. So this x is equal to the speed to this side, that is 1 meter per second into time, that is 1 into t is equal to t. Now this y distance is travelled due to this OB. The magnitude of OB is equal to 2 meter per second. So using s is equal to ut plus half at square for vertical motion to this direction, in time t, this component has taken the projectile up by this amount in time t. So s is equal to y u this velocity, that is 2 in time t ut. Now acceleration is negative, minus g half t square. But we have just shown that x is equal to t. So for t I can put x. So for this t I put x here. Now half g, for this t also I put x. So this becomes x square. So this becomes 2x minus g is given as 10. So 2 cancels with this. I am left with 5. So it's 2x minus 5x square y. I have taken any random point on the path, that is on the trajectory, and that point has two coordinates, and this is a relation between the two coordinates x and y for any points on the path. Therefore this equation is called the equation of the trajectory. This is a relation between x and y for any point P on the trajectory. So this is called the equation of the trajectory. So this is called the equation of the trajectory.